Breaking news busted. Bandits apprehended, named traditional leaders in Zamfara, others as accomplices. Hello, my wonderful people. We keep saying it over and over and over and over again. That really speaking, there is really no smoke without fire. Talking about the indigenous smoke. You see, when these things happen and they succeed, is because persons who are in that vicinity area have supported it in one way or the other, have allowed it to thrive, or are the ones enhancing it. You know, the news broke on us yesterday. Of course, is a well-known knowledge among everybody that in 2014 Muhammadu Buhari brought in foreign Fulani herdsmen to ensure they wreak havoc with the inclusion of governor of Kaduna State to El-Rufai to wreak havoc on the country if a Southern and then Goodluck Ebele Jonathan wins the election. And when they brought them in, they were feeding them, giving them money, ammunitions, and they positioned them in different camps all across the country. You see where these things are more prominent are some of where the camps are. Zamfara State is one of them. They position them all around the forests, providing for them. But to Buhari's greatest shock, he was named the winner and they abandoned these people that they brought in. You see, all that glitters is not gold. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. Busted. Bandit names traditional leaders in Zamfara, others as accomplices. Jubrim Ibrahim, a prominent bandit, claimed that traditional leaders and others people in his are his accomplice in committing banditry, attack in Zamfara State, Tafor local government area, and other vicinities. Mohammed claimed to be under the leadership of a prominent bandit known as Chairman, who is supposed to be hiding in Zamfara forest. The suspect admitted to participating in an attack in Shaburo village in the Tafa local government area where they kidnapped 4 children and were given a ransom of 2 million. According to a statement from the Castina State Police Command, he also detailed how they go into shops and in the same council area Ugandi Dudu village carrying away foods and other supplements and supplies. The State Police Command Relation Officer P.S. Gamble said the Castina Police Command has succeeded in arresting one Jubrim Ibrahim alias Dan Oga man, male, age 30 of Shaba Village, Tafra local government area, Castina State, and notorious armed bandits. In the course of investigation, the suspect confessed to be under the control of one chairman, a notorious bandit hibernating in Zamfara forest. He further confessed to have participated in the attack of Shabo village, Tafa local government area, where 4 children were kidnapped and the sum of 2 million naira were paid as ransom, and also in the attack of Ugonwa Dondo village of Tafa local government area in Zamfara state, where shops were broken into and food items, supplies, and other items were stolen. He mentioned that the word heard one Zulu, Abubakar Kadu, and the chief traditional leader in that vicinity were part of those who are the accomplices in all of this. So when we tell you that some people are the ones aiding, supporting, and allowing these things to happen, some will not believe. Some people will not just believe until, some people are just doubting Thomas. That's who they are. No matter what happened, they will never, believe. They will never, they will definitely and always, still keep holding on to that position and to that point that this and that never happened. As we speak, you can see for yourself that a lot of persons, a lot of things have gone and is going on in the country, and people are just wondering and looking out and wondering what is really going on here. When these bandits they attack or they do whatever they are doing, the government of Nigeria, instead of calling a spade attacking it square on and getting rid of those very people who are making the place terrible. Guess what they do? They put up a program and they tell you that they are doing what we call repentant bandits program. And the repentant bandit program, the whole purpose is because they use them. Yes, and they don't want them, letting out the cats out of the bag. So the best thing to do is to keep them silent, is to use them and to, pretend that all is well, carry them and behave as if, they are helping them. Because, I mean, they've been foot soldiers before. These are people who have, who have been supported by the government previously, and today they are no longer, the government is no longer, they have abandoned them because they are not the ones in position or the ones in power. You see, so Nigeria, we are really, really working, looking at people who call themselves leadership, and most of them, honestly speaking, are like the criminals that are holding back the nation. They know what they are doing, and they will never speak in terms of ensuring that some of those things are eradicated and done, and the end comes out. Nigerians, you cannot believe what's going on is unimaginable. It's unimaginable. Some traditional leaders, you see them, they pretend as if they care for the people, and they know who took the person's child. Did you hear? Four children were adopted, and they paid a sum of 2 million naira to get them back. What has cost their parents? They've been impoverished. And guess what? The country, the president, the governors, and most of them are not even concerned with what is going on with the people. Are not concerned. They pretend and behave as if all is well. They continue, do their parties, have their private move in their private jets. Why the people wallow, in poverty? Look at what's it called? Better students. What happened recently? Group of 25 men were the ones who had planned that attack, came to the school and whisked all the children away. A group of 25 men, 25 of them, to collect ransom, said they needed money. Why not work? Why not do something worthwhile? But this is what they have seen as the way forward or the way out, because they don't, I mean, they don't work. They are used to being given. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye.